Okay, more transformations, stretching and shrinking. Now the best way to actually deal with this is just look at some examples. So, good example to look at is this one here. Let's get the pen going. This one here, okay? Look at that, because it's also over here. Where is it? There, okay? X cubed minus x. Right, so I'm going to underline those two. X cubed minus x. Now what I'm going to do with this one is this. Twice the function. If you look at this, the two examples we're going to do is, do we put the number, whether it's an integer or a fraction, in front, or do we put it inside? Okay, those are the two options we have. This, I've put the 2 in front, twice the function, and here it is, right here. Okay, now what I've done here is I vertically stretched the graph, kind of doubled it because of the 2. Think of linear functions. Remember, y equals 2x is steeper than y equals 1x. And y equals half x is even less steep, because if I have a fraction in front, which this one does, can you see, think about it being the 2 in front. Look at it, it looks kind of steeper, doesn't it? Look at this, okay? If I get my little arrow up again, it kind of looks steeper than the original, okay? Whereas the 1/10, here's the 1/10, looks less steep than the original. You can think of it like that, okay, in terms of slope. Right, okay, now this one over here, because of the negative in front, has also been flipped over the x-axis, okay, but that's just something extra. Right, okay, so here we have the 2 in front of the function, okay, it's been vertically stretched. Here, okay, look at this. This is now the 2. Get my pen going again. There, look at the difference. F of 2x as opposed to 2 f of x, okay, so remember this was vertical stretching, okay, this over here was vertical shrinking because it had a fraction. This one here, f of 2 of x, so remember the 2 in front vertically stretched it, the 2 here is going to be horizontally shrinking it. Now think of it, look at the visuals, because here it is over here, okay. Now again, because of the 2, it does look steeper. Again, I get my arrow going. Look, here's the original, right? There's the new one. So it does look steeper, but this has been horizontally shrunk, okay? Again, with the half, remember here, with the 1/10, I vertically shrunk it. Here, with the fraction 1/2, I've horizontally stretched it. But again, look at it, the half makes it look less steep, okay? Here's the original. And again, now look at it, with the minus in front of here, with it inside, okay, not in front, this has been a y-axis reflection. Remember this one? That had x-axis reflection. So there's just some quick examples of you doing some horizontal and vertically stretching. Let's have a look at some better examples. Okay, right, I take a function, here it is. 2 in front, okay, twice the function, remember that's vertically stretching, and here it is. Again, if I take a piece there, okay, I'll just do it in a little pen here. If I just look at an area here, that's an area here, you know, this is going to look steeper, okay, this is going to look steeper. And notice, okay, the point there, 4, point there, 4, but look, whereas this was -4, this is now -8 because I vertically stretched it, okay, twice. Okay, double the amount. Now look at this one, B, half. Now this is going to be vertically shrinking. Let's have a look at where it is. Here it is. Now I still have that 0.4, but whereas this went down to -4 here, this now goes down to -2 here. I vertically shrunk it, okay, because of the half in front. Now then, again, if I look at A as opposed to C, remember this is 2 times the function. This is f of 2 of x, okay. So this one here, C, is going to be horizontally shrinking. Let's have a look. There it is, okay. So again, look at the original. It goes down to -4 on the y-axis, 4 on the x-axis, but because I'm going to shrink it horizontally, okay, we're going to go from 4, we're going to go to 2, okay, but it'll go down to the -4 on the y-axis just the same. Let's have a look. There it is. You see that? Okay, so there, this one here, let's put this up. That one there is just me horizontally shrinking that one there, okay? And again, it should look steeper because of the 2. Right, what else do we have? Again, half in front or half inside here, okay? So again, remember, sorry, my phone. We have half in front. That, remember, that vertically shrunk. Half here, horizontally stretch. So what does it look like? There it is. Okay. Again, let's go back to the original. So if I horizontally stretch it, then the -4 down here will stay the same, but the 4 here should go to 8, shouldn't it? There it is. Okay, I've horizontally stretched that. And just finally, this one looks like it's also been flipped through the y-axis. Okay, so I took this and flipped it through the y-axis. There we go.